Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate the glute stretch, or stretching the buttock muscle. Lay down on the floor. Okay, so let's say we're going to stretch the glute on this side, making a figure 4, taking the ankle, putting it on the opposite knee, grabbing the opposite leg, go around, and go pass your hand through the space right here. Grab the hamstring, pull towards you, and you're going to feel a stretch from here to here. Again, there's no bouncing, just tuck. Okay. Alternatively, the non-working leg can be on the floor. You're still making the figure 4, but you're grabbing the knee and pulling in the opposite direction, like this. Some of you may get a stretch in this position, or you can do a combination of the two movements, making the figure 4, pulling the leg towards you, releasing with one, grabbing the knee, pulling like this. And then this leg, you can pull as well. And you're really going to get a really nice stretch here in the glutes as well as in the hamstring as well. Gently release the knee, gently let the leg down. So that's how you will stretch the glute muscle. Those are 3 different maneuvers.